In this video, I will show you how to delete your Shopify store. First, sign in to your Shopify account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Settings in the bottom left corner. Then select Plan from the left sidebar. If you have an active subscription, click Cancel Plan. If you're still on a free trial, you'll see Cancel Trial instead. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose a reason for cancelling, enter your password if prompted, and confirm the cancellation. Once your plan is cancelled, your Shopify store will be closed and become inactive. Customers will no longer be able to access your store. If you also want to delete your Shopify account completely, keep in mind that Shopify doesn't allow you to permanently delete your account directly from the dashboard. If you need to remove your account or request permanent deletion of your personal data, you'll need to contact Shopify support and submit a request through the Shopify Help Center. That's it. This is how you can delete your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.